Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your TripAdvisor account. Getting started is quite simple. First, navigate to the TripAdvisor website or download their mobile application. Once there, look for the Join or Sign In button, usually located at the top right of the page. You will then have the option to register using your email address or quickly connect through your Google or Facebook account. This initial step takes less than 1 minute. Next, you will build your basic profile. If you chose email registration, carefully enter your preferred email address and create a secure password, ideally one with at least 8 characters including numbers and symbols. Then, input your first and last name, which will be visible on your public profile. Finally, select your home city and country. This helps tailor recommendations to your location. This part takes about 2 minutes. To make your TripAdvisor experience truly yours, consider personalizing your account further. Upload a profile picture. A clear image helps other travelers recognize you. You can also indicate your travel preferences and interests, such as adventure or relaxation, to receive more relevant suggestions. Don't forget to manage your email notification settings, deciding if you want updates on deals or new reviews. This step adds about 3 minutes. With your account now fully set up, it is time to explore the many features TripAdvisor offers. You can immediately begin writing reviews for hotels, restaurants, and attractions you have visited, sharing your valuable insights. Create custom travel plans, saving your favorite locations and activities for future trips. Also, connect with a global community of travelers in the forums, asking questions and sharing advice. Enjoy your journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.